My name is Siddharth Sharma and I am team leader of Team Prayas 1.1 and we are making hazardous gas alert system for the problem statement ID SH1368. So this is our solution. So we have four parts in our solution. We have worker history, response scheme and user app and a central monitoring system. So in the central monitoring system we have a cloud server which process all the data which come from workers kit and user app and response team. So in our workers kit we have a microcontroller which basically control all the modules. We have a GPS module, the alarm system to alert the worker about gases. If there is any hazardous gas, this will ring when it sends the gas so that the worker will be alerted about the gases. And we have long distance communication system. As internet is maybe unstable, so we will have direct communication to our cloud server with the help of this communication system. And we have gas sensors, various gas sensors for the different gases, which will detect the gas data and give it to microcontroller. This will proceed the data to the cloud server. In the cloud server will process the data and from the user app we can see all the workers, how much workers in the field, where their location, about the conditions they are working on. So in the user app we are making this in Flutter. So this will be Android and iOS both supported. In our user app there is a dashboard and there is in the dashboard you will have detail of all the workers and their working. And we have all notification system, assistance system, communication system and emergency evacuation system. So start from the notification and flash alarm. So if any worker is going any hazardous place where the working condition is not good, then the worker kit will send the data to the central server and central server will alert the user app about the condition. Second, we have assistance system. In many cases, we need help of other workers who are not in our field. So, from the user app, we can provide the live assistant to the worker through the user app, and then we have the communication system to communicate to our server, and we have emergency evacuation system. So, if there is very bad condition, then from the worker kit, a message will be generated to the central system, and from there they will send the command to the user app so that they can go to evacuate the team. And the response team will have responsibility to emergency evacuation and the response to the alarms. We have response team which is responsible for the emergency evacuation and respond to the alarm, which will be sent by the worker kit directly to the response team. So there is a communication channel which is bidirectional, and response team also send the commands to the module directly, and module can also directly send response to the response team, so that there is a very low latency. And this is our solution. Thank you.